You've been staring at that bathroom for months. The outdated tile, the leaky faucet, the vanity that belongs in 1987. You know it needs work, but you have no idea what it's actually going to cost. Here on the Central Coast, where housing prices are some of the highest in the country, a bathroom renovation can feel intimidating. But here's the truth. With the right plan, the right budget, and the right priorities, a bathroom renovation doesn't have to break the bank. I'm going to break down exactly what a bathroom renovation costs in 2026, from a basic refresh all the way to a full luxury remodel, so you know exactly what to expect before you spend a single dollar. Let's start at the entry level. A basic bathroom refresh, new fixtures, fresh paint, updated lighting, and a new vanity will typically run you between $2,000 and $5,000. This is the sweet spot for homeowners who want a noticeable upgrade without touching the plumbing or layout. A new vanity and sink will cost between $300 and $800. Updated light fixtures run $100 to $400. Fresh paint and new hardware adds another $200 to $500. A new toilet runs $300 to $600, and labor for installation typically adds $800 to $1,500. The key here is keeping your existing layout. The moment you start moving plumbing, relocating a toilet, moving a shower, costs jump dramatically. Now let's talk about the most common bathroom renovation, the mid-range remodel. This is where most Central Coast homeowners land, and it typically costs between $8,000 and $20,000. At this level, you're replacing everything: tile, tub or shower, vanity, toilet, lighting, but keeping the same basic layout. Tile work is the biggest variable. Basic ceramic tile runs $3 to $7 per square foot installed. Luxury tile like marble or large format porcelain can run $15 to $30 per square foot or more. A new shower enclosure or tub surround runs $1,500 to $5,000. Plumbing fixtures like faucets, shower heads, and hardware add $500 to $2,000. A new vanity and countertop runs $600 to $3,000, and labor typically adds $4,000 to $8,000 to the total. On the Central Coast specifically, labor costs run about 15 to 20% higher than the national average. That's just the reality of our market, but it's worth factoring into your budget from day one. At the high end, a full luxury bathroom remodel on the Central Coast can run anywhere from $25,000 to $75,000 or more. At this level, you're looking at custom tile work and heated floors, a freestanding soaking tub, a walk-in steam shower with custom glass enclosure, custom cabinetry and stone countertops, smart fixtures and lighting, and potential layout changes that require moving plumbing and walls. This level of renovation makes sense if you're in a high-value home and want to maximize resale value, or if you're simply creating your forever bathroom. On the Central Coast, where home values are strong, a luxury bathroom remodel can return 60 to 70% of its cost at resale. Now, here's what you actually came for. How do you get the most out of your renovation budget? Rule number 1, keep the layout. Moving plumbing adds $2,000 to $10,000 to any project instantly. If you can work with your existing layout, do it. Rule number 2, splurge on tile, save on fixtures. Tile is what people see and feel every day. Buy the best tile you can afford and save on things like towel bars and toilet paper holders. Rule number 3, get 3 quotes. Labor costs vary wildly on the Central Coast. Always get at least 3 contractor quotes before committing. Rule number 4, die what you can. Painting, demo, installing hardware and light fixtures, these are all die-friendly tasks that can save you $500 to $2,000 easily. Whether you're working with $3,000 or $30,000, the most important thing is going in with a clear plan and realistic expectations. Know your budget, know your priorities, and know when to call a pro. If you found this helpful, subscribe to RedwoodTidesFixer for weekly videos on renovating smart, budgeting right, and building real value in your Central Coast home. I'll see you in the next one.